If you are also preparing Iibf Bc BF examination, then you can see the correct video. Please watch the full video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you want, please PDF comment in PDF my contact. Let's start the video. First objective. A unit will be classified as a micro enterprise in the service sector if its investment in equipment not exceed Rs. First objective 50 lakh rupees, second objective 10 lakh rupees, third objective 25 lakh rupees, fourth objective 1 lakh. This is right answer. 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees is right answer. Second is the right answer. Next question. The banking awesome scheme was introduced under dash of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 by RBI with effect from 1995. First objective section 35A, second objective section 25A, third objective section 45A, fourth objective section 15A. Is right answer. Section 35A. First is the right answer. Next question. Bank charge interest on dash. Important question. Bank charge interest on dash. First object to deposits, second object to loans, third object to both A and B, fourth object to none of Iibf. Is right answer. Loans. Bank charge interest on loans. Second is the right answer. Next question. What relationship is created when the bank collects a check in clearing? First object to holder of value, second object to clearing member in principal, third object to agent and principal, fourth object to collecting bank and holder. Is right answer. Collecting bank and holder. Fourth objective is right answer. Next question. A standard asset of bank is defined as an asset which is first object to NPA, second object to A doubtful asset, third object to A loss asset, fourth object to none of Iibf. Question. A standard asset of the bank is defined as an asset which is right answer. NPA. First is answer. Next question. A saving bank AC is to be traded as imperative account if there is no operation is the AC for lost. Question. A saving bank AC is to be traded as imperative account if there is no operation is the last for last. The AC for lost. First object to 2 years, second object to 3 years, third object to 4th year, fourth object to 5 year. Is right answer. 2 year. 2 year is right answer. First is right answer. Next question. What is the validity period of the check? What is the validity period of the check? First object to 4 months from date of issue, second object to 3 month date from issue, third object to 1 month date of from issue, fourth object to unlimited. Is right answer. 3 months from date of issue. Question. What is the validity period of the check? Is right answer. 3 months from date of issue. Second is right answer. Next question. Bank without the prior approval of the RBI cannot. Bank without the prior approval of the RBI cannot is right answer. All of Iibf. all of it is right answer. Fourth is the right answer. Next question. Question, PAN number is required for. Question, PAN number is required for. First objective, deposit less than 50,000 rupees. Second objective, deposit in excess of 1 lakh rupees. Third objective, deposit Rs 50,000 above. Fourth objective, all transaction. Question, PAN number is required for deposit Rs 50,000 above. Third objective is right answer. Next question. The period of credit under minimum long term loans in agriculture finance are more than. Question, the period of credit under minimum long term loans in agriculture finance are the more than. First objective 12 month, second objective 24 month, third objective 36 month, fourth objective 48 month. Is right answer 36 month. Right answer third. Next question. Question, who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? Question, who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? First object to Nirmala Sitharaman. Second object to Sri Rajan Singh. Third object to Sri Manohar Parrikar. Fourth object to Sri Suresh Prabhu. Is right answer Nirmala Sitharaman. First object to Nirmala Sitharaman. Question, who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? Is right answer Nirmala Sitharaman. Next question. Question which of the following categories come under the period sector? Is right answer all of Iibf. Is right answer all of Iibf. First object to agriculture, second object to social infrastructure, third object to renewable energy, fourth object to all of Iibf. Is right answer all of Iibf. Fourth is right answer. Next question. Will making nomination signature of nominee is required on. Question, will making nomination signature of nominee is required on. First object to account opening form, second object to nomination form, third object to affidavit, fourth object to none of above. Is right answer none of above. Fourth is right answer. Next question. Question, who is the present governor of RBI? Who is the present governor of RBI? First object to KC Chakrabarti, second object to DK Mittal, third object to Urjit Patel, fourth object to Shaktikant Das. Question, who is the present governor of RBI? Right answer Shaktikant Das ji. Fourth object to right answer. Next question. Question, dash is a point of will customer make a payment to the merchant in exchange of goods or service. First object to bank mitra, second object to internet banking, third object to point of sale, fourth object to mobile banking. Question, dash is a point at which a customer makes a payment to the merchant in of goods, exchange of goods or service. Is right answer point of sale. Third is